Hello, in this video, you'll learn how to download Odoo on Windows 10. You can start by opening your browser and searching for Odoo download, and then you can click the official link that leads you to odoo.com page download. And now that you're here on the download page, you will see different versions like Odoo 16, Odoo 17, Odoo 18, and so on. And if you're unsure which to choose, you can go with the latest version, which is currently Odoo 18, and you can select Windows as your operating system. And then after that, you can just fill in this very basic information like your company, your name, your phone number, your email, your primary interest, why you're using it, and your company size, how many employees you have. And then after you submit this form, you get the installer file will begin downloading, and once it's complete, you can open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Odoo on your Windows 10 computer. And please like and subscribe if this helped.